visible. This is not the southbound Amtrack train 790 headed to Los Angeles or San Diego. This is the northbound train. Be sure to be on the right train. Northbound Amtrack train 777.
Ladies and gentlemen, please ensure if you do light up a cigarette on the platform, step away from the door.